Hello guys, this is Denis Lara and welcome to my channel Denis Lara Art. Today we have a very interesting topic. This is the second part of t-shirt painting and unlike last time as we did abstract art on a t-shirt, this time I have some specific thing to be done. So as you know, I only use 5 variants of colors and not much more. Using that 5 colors I make various gradients, or you can say shades of colors, and create new colors with that. So here is it. This is my white t-shirt. Now here I'm not going to fill this whole t-shirt with painting and just have some specific thing to be done, and let's see how it goes. So as you see, I have taken 5 colors: yellow, black, red, white and blue, and some other things like pencils, t-shirt, extra washcloth for wiping the paints. So with this I'm going to start with my t-shirt painting. So the first step is preventing the paints to seep inside the t-shirt. And now we are going to use one rough cardboard piece. We are going to keep it inside this so that while we paint on the t-shirt, it doesn't go and reach the other side. Okay, so let's begin with the first step. We'll just put it inside the t-shirt. So as you guys can see, my setup is all ready. I've done my t-shirt thing is ready. Now the second step is the drawing on this. So I have something in mind. So let's begin and let's go ahead with the drawing. So as now my artwork is complete, I will be giving it a shades in a mosaic form and not on a regular skin tone or 2 shades form. So that's why wait till the end and watch my video, and I hope that you will learn something new today. I do like the shades, like all different from light tone to the dark tone, and it stood out good. Now it is still incomplete, we have to give borders and every sort of stuff. Same method I'm going to use it over here for the face, for the body, and then at the end part we will just an outlining, and here we go.